Planning family reunions can be very frustrating, especially if they are scattered all over South Africa or the world for that matter. Ramsgate is located on the south coast of KwaZulu-Natal, South Africa. It is also fairly central to most continents. We experience subtropical warmth year-round with warm Indian Ocean beaches and just 2 hours south from Durban's King Shaka International Airport. The best part of it all is that your money goes so much further in South Africa with the exchange rate of the ZAR. That means a luxury family holiday at a fraction of what you would have paid back home overseas in Europe, United States, or wherever in the world. The property consists of 3 levels of accommodation, the top floor being the entertainment area for 20 guests. The second level down will be the sleeping area for 20 guests with 8 bedrooms, 5 bathrooms. And then the lower level will have 2 apartments that each sleep 3 guests and 2 guests respectively. So in total we've got room for 25 guests. With a pool, brilliant ocean views, braai area, everyone comfortably under one roof. So make the call, gather the family, start planning your dates, let us know. Visit www.lookoutramsgate.co.za or WhatsApp us on +27724415192 and see you at Lookout Ramsgate.